Hi friends, I am Ashraf Ali and today we will discuss about how to fix vertical spaces in LaTeX software. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. How to fix vertical spaces? How to fix the vertical spaces in LaTeX software? It has three commands. Number one is big skip, number two is mid skip, and number three is small skip. These commands produce a given amount of space specified by the document class. Number one is big skip command, the same as backslash v space of curly braces backslash big skip amount, ordinarily about one line space with stretch and shrink of the default for the book and article classes is 12 point plus 4 point minus 4 point. Number 2 is backslash mid skip, the same as backslash v space of curly braces backslash mid skip of amount, ordinary about half of a line space with stretch and shrink. The default for the book and article classes is 6 point plus 2 point and minus 2 point. Number 3 is small skip command, the same as backslash v space or curly braces start backslash small skip amount, ordinarily about a quarter of a line space with stretch and shrink. The default for the book and article classes is 3 point plus 1 point minus 1 point. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share it and like it. Thanks.